Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited about today's video. I had ordered the Beautylish Lucky Bag. They went on sale, I think it was December 26th. I did order the original, the regular one, and so I'm going to be doing a unboxing here for you guys today. Now before we get into that, if you are not already, please do subscribe. You can just click the button right down below, and you can also give this video a like. You can also follow me on all my social media. It's always linked right down below in the description bar. So yeah, that's everything. Let's get right into the video. So this is the box that it came in. As you can see, I have not peeked or anything. It is still sealed. I have not watched any videos of it or anything like that. I saw a couple thumbnails, so I saw like one sneak peek, but other than that, I have no idea what could be in this box. So if you don't know exactly what this is, every year Beautylish does this thing that's called a lucky bag. So a lucky bag basically is just like a surprise bag. You have no idea what's in here. You don't get to pick anything in here. You pay the certain amount and you get what you get basically. So I think this costed $75. It was either like, it was in the 70 range. I know that, like $70, $75. They do have two sizes. This is the regular size, and then they do have the extra large. I think that one was $150, but they don't ship the extra large outside of the US, so I could only get the regular one. So it was $75-ish. I did have to pay shipping on it, and I did have to pay exchange. So before the exchange, it was like $93, and then with the exchange, it came out to a total of $122. Quite pricey, so it better be some good stuff in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. So everything is in this paper here. So I'm just gonna kind of grab things. So this first thing is the Hylamide HA Blur. Hyaluronic based prismatic blurring surface finisher. I have never heard of this. So I think this is like a primer. So like a hydrating primer. I've never heard of this brand. That is what it looks like. It feels really nice. So I'm kind of excited to try this out. So the next thing in here is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, which I'm very excited about this. I kind of talked a little bit about this in my Sephora VIB sale haul. I had got this in a little set because I really wanted to try this out. I've always wanted to buy this, but I just never have. So now I have the full size. I'm really excited about this actually. So it's basically just like a light pink under eye corrector. Like there's not too much color to it, but it's supposed to like brighten the under eyes. So yeah, this is really awesome. Next thing, ooh, okay, so this is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Kitten Karma. Oh my gosh. You guys know I love these. I actually own this in like one of the little small ones that I got from in a set. And I love it. It's actually my favorite shade. So that's awesome to own the full size of it. These are so pretty. The swatch there, they are so beautiful. Very intense and like glittery, and I love them. There is a brush in here. This is the Wayne Goss 18 brush. I have never tried Wayne Goss, but I'm very excited about this because I've heard his brushes are amazing, and this actually looks like a brush that I'm gonna get use out of. Oh my god, this is so soft. There is the brush. I think this brush is gonna be really great for like packing on color in the outer corner. I have a brush from Morphe that's similar to this that I use for that, but it's a little bit fluffier. So I think this is going to be awesome. This is so incredibly soft. So yeah, that's really exciting. And the last thing in here, the last thing in here is the Jouer Skinny Dip Ultra Foil Shimmer Palette. I am so excited about this. I have never tried anything from Jouer, and I'm pretty sure I've seen pictures of this, and it was stunning. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful those are. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, I am so excited. This is awesome. Okay. There's one more thing in here. Okay. This is the It Cosmetics Your Complexion Perfection. I don't really know what this is. Okay, let's open this up. I love this packaging. This is so pretty. It's like this light plush pink. And when you open it up, there is 4 products in here. So there's the Bye Bye Pores blush, the Bye Bye Pores pressed translucent powder, the Sunshine in a compact bronzer, and the Perfect Lighting luminizer. So this looks really cool. That powder feels really nice. The blush looks pretty bright in the pan, but swatch is actually a lot lighter. I think it's something I'll actually like. I'm not getting a ton of pigment from the bronzer, so I'll have to give that a go. And then this highlighter. The highlighter is pretty. It's like a very soft glow. But yeah, this is nice. I've never actually seen this before. So it's basically just like a face palette, which would be an awesome kind of thing for traveling. So that's everything that I got in my lucky bag. I'm actually very happy about it. There's nothing in here that I'm disappointed about. I really like everything. Honestly, the only thing I don't think I'll get a ton of use out of is this. Just, I don't know, the products are not my cup of tea, but I'm definitely still gonna give it a go and try it out. Everything else I'm really, really happy about. Like, there's not one thing that I'm super like So yeah, I would say it was pretty successful. Definitely worth the value. I think this was really fun. And I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing everything that I got. If you guys got a lucky bag too, let me know down in the comments if you got anything different. I'm really curious to see. And if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.